Hello and welcome. Today we are going to take a 3D object of your liking and turn it into an actual building in Minecraft. In order to do that, I've set up this course, alright, in 3 different videos. The first video is gonna be how to install the mods necessary to get this up and running. Then how to actually acquire the 3D models and make an export that is functional. And then we're gonna reproduce and we're gonna paste the actual 3D converted model as a building in Minecraft. Plus a couple more tips for monetization of these schematics. So let's go right into it, shall we? First, we've got to install the following mods. We need Lithmatica, which is the actual mod, then Malilith, which supports Lithmatica for like all the boring stuff, hotkeys, tools, controls. And then we need Fabric in order to actually run the modes in game. And since Lithmatica is based in Fabric, well, here you go. So let's get started. We're gonna open this little link that I'm gonna leave down below in the description, alright? And then we are going to click here on the download button and you're gonna select the version that you want. I just use the latest version, simple as that. And then you're gonna select the platform. In this case, as I said, we're using Fabric. And then you're gonna click download. For the next mod, we're gonna do exactly the same thing. You hit download, just select basically the best version that you like of your preference, and then you're gonna click Fabric as well, and then you hit download. Once you've got that out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and we are going to download Fabric. For that, you're just gonna download the universal jar. We go do that. But the more pending question is, what are we gonna do with these mods? Well, first you're gonna select Malilith and Lithmatica, which is required. You're gonna press Ctrl X or Ctrl copy, regardless what you want. Then run Windows and R and type percentage appdata percentage, which will then open this folder over here in which we're gonna go into Minecraft. And then after going into Minecraft, we are gonna find the folder that says mods and we're just gonna paste them right here. As you see, Lithmatica and Malilith. Great. As for Fabric, we're just gonna double click and hit install. The next thing you're gonna want to do is open up the Minecraft launcher, go over to the Java edition, and you may already have the Fabric loader over here. If you don't, go over to the installations, click new installation, and search for Fabric loader, and you'll have it right there. We're gonna go back to play, and you are going to load the game just as usual. So now if you go into a world of your liking, for now I'm gonna jump into the Jinx world. If you press M, you're gonna be able to open the Lithmatica interface and you're gonna be able to work with it. How this all works, we'll see in another video, but this would be all for today. And yeah, thanks for tuning in and have a good day.